Hi everyone. Today I am going to discuss about how can you use a controller using the AngularJS. I am simply using the two field. One is a first name, another one is a last name. Input type is a text. Both are the field. And next one is a ng model. First name and last name. First name plus and last name. I'm going to bind the two fields and first name and last name within the script tag where app AngularJS model my app within the array. App controller my control function is a scope. So already is declared the end controller, right? My control, that keyword is mentioned here. And function scope, so scope dot first name is a John and last name is a Toy. So I am going to run the code. What will happen? Wait and see here, John and Toy. So if suppose I am going to change, here will change, right? It's John Toy, dynamically change the full name. That's why I use the code. This code is use that AngularJS within the use of binding the text and as well as the controller also. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.